Shea Butter Hair Mask Recipe. This shea butter mask, which also includes some other ingredients, is very helpful for dehydrated hair. There are coconut and argan oil in it as well, but if you want to avoid them, you can use olive oil, if you have got dry frizzy hair, or grapeseed oil, rosehip seed oil, and sweet almond oil for thinner hair. Homemade shea butter hair mask recipe. Put 1 tablespoon of raw shea butter in a heat-safe container, and place the container in a pan, filled with a few inches of water. Place the pan on heat, to let shea butter become soft, but not melted. Remove the pan from heat, and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. You can optionally add 5 to 10 drops of peppermint, or eucalyptus essential oil. Mix everything with a clean spatula, and massage it onto your scalp and strands, with clean fingers. To make the mask creamier and easier to apply, use a hand mixer or blender, to whip it up. Cover your hair with a shower cap. Wash off thoroughly after 1 hour, with a sulfate-free shampoo, and enough water. Benefits of the ingredients. Coconut oil is healing, and contains hair-boosting nutrients. It treats dandruff, prevents the moisture loss, and soothes itchy scalp. Argan oil deeply conditions the hair, and treats damaged hair. It nourishes the scalp with its rich vitamin E, and fatty acid content, and makes your hair silky soft. Raw honey contains powerful antioxidants, and nutrients. It cleanses hair, and removes any stale oils, dirt, and dead cells, as well as germs and fungi, that cause scalp infection. Eucalyptus essential oil helps treat hair loss, balances the pH of the scalp and hair, soothes itchy scalp, eliminates dandruff, and gives the mask a refreshing smell.